Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Elementor's table of contents widget in 2025 to make your page look easy to navigate. So it is perfect for blogs, guides, and any page with multiple sections. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here in your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, first of all, you need to make sure that Elementor plugin is installed. If it is not installed, you need to go to the plugins section, click on the option of add plugin and install Elementor first. After that, go to the pages section and select that particular page which you want to add it with the help of Elementor. So after selecting this page, click on the option of add it with Elementor. Once you have done that, you will be landed here on this type of page where the template or your website will look something like this. Over here, you need to first of all hover over to the left hand section and click on plus icon, then select the option of widgets. Here you need to simply search for table of content. So here we have table of content, but right next to it, if you see this type of lock button, it simply means that this particular option is available for pro users only. So if you are a pro user to the Elementor, you need to simply click on the table of content option, and now it will come here and appear in the side section. Now in the widgets itself, you can go to the content setting and choose the heading tag to include. For example, you can just simply search for heading 1, heading 3 for the main and the subheadings. This step is going to ensure that the table of content only shows the relevant part of the page. Now inside the table, you can go to the style section in order to change the font, the color and the spacing. You can even make it collapsible so that visitors can hide and expand it. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.